To create a new drawing, open up AutoCAD, click on Start Drawing. Before you start, make sure that your object snaps are turned on, meaning they are blue. Right-click on the object snaps, go to Object Snap Settings, and turn them all on except for the last three. Fastest thing that I like to do is select all and then uncheck the last three and hit OK. Also, make sure that polar tracking is on and click on these three lines here. Make sure dynamic input is checked and also make sure that dynamic input then is turned on so it's blue. Now to start the first drawing, the H, I'm going to open up my example so you can see what I'm working from. We're going to draw the H. Notice that it's 2 inches over, 1 inch up, 4 inches over, 1 inch down, another 2 inches, up 5, then we're going to go back 2. Let's draw it. So to start, you click on the line tool, click anywhere on your screen to start, it doesn't matter, and then you move your mouse the direction you want to go. So I want to go off towards the right. I'm going to go towards the right. Make sure that you snap on that little green line. Now, if that green line's not there, it's because polar tracking is off. See how that green line is not there? You want to make sure that's on. And go over 2 inches, type in 2, and if you move your mouse, there's your 2 inch line. Now, it doesn't look like 2 inches because I'm either zoomed out really far or you might be zoomed in really close. But change your zoom level using that middle mouse button to a distance you like, and then we're going to move the mouse straight up 1 inch and enter. Now, if you make a mistake, like you go up and then you bump your mouse and go 1 inch, to undo that, you hold the Control key and hit the Z key, Z as in zebra. So Control Z undoes what you just did. All right, so let's go straight up, make sure it's straight, up 1 inch, over 4, down 1 inch, over 2, go up 5 and hit the enter key. And the key is that you have to hit the enter key. Not only do you type in the number 2, but you have to hit enter. Down 1 and enter. Over 4 and enter. Up 1 and enter. Go back 2. Now to finish it, I could go down 5, or I could just click my mouse onto that greenish yellow square, and that comes up as the endpoint. I want to click on that endpoint. Now to finish, you hit the escape key on your keyboard to finish the command. To make more space, you click the middle mouse button down and hold it, and you can drag it over, and now you have more space to work. You can zoom out if you need to. Click the middle mouse button and pan, and you can start the next one, the W. So grab the line tool, find somewhere to start. I'm going to start on the bottom left corner. I'm going to go over 8 inches, and I'm going to go up 5 inches, and back over 1.5, and then I'm going to let you figure out the math you need for the length of this line. Now there is a calculator built into AutoCAD. Up top on the ribbon, find the Utilities panel and look for the calculator icon. When you do that, you might want to move the calculator window down, and you also want to stretch it out. By default, yours is going to look more like this. I like to stretch it out, maybe move it down a little bit, and then you can use the calculator and figure out the length of this line.